Namaskaram. Welcome to my next video. Today I would like to show you how you can make your own all-natural cleaning products. Very simple and very nice. So we can start with this small magic. These are called soap nuts. Maybe you have heard about them. They are mostly grown in Nepal, in Himalayas, so they come from India, and they can be used for many things. The simplest thing is that you can just take a few of them, like a handful, let's say, put them in a textile bag and use them instead of a liquid for doing your laundry. So depends how dirty your clothes is, so you may add a little bit more, and you just put it into the box directly with your clothes and it will just clean them fine. You can use them up to, let's say, 5 times. Once you have used them like that for laundry, you don't have to throw them away. You can still use them. We can make another liquid which can be used for cleaning kind of anything in your household. So you just put them in a pot. You can crush them a little bit. So again, it's like a handful of them. So you crush them, and then you add about 3 cups of water. And now you just simply boil them for about 15 minutes, and then you let it cool down. Such a liquid you can use for cleaning your dishes, the floor, the windows, all the surfaces, everything. You can mix it with water, and you can also add some essential oil. Teatree oil is antibacterial, so if you want to make sure it will be very, very clean, you add teatree oil. And if you like some other essence, so you can use maybe lavender to make your household smell very nicely. And if you are in a hurry, you can also simply do this little thing, which is that you just take a few of them, put them in a jar, add some water. If the water is warm, it will be even stronger, and you just smash them like this. You can see already the foam is coming. So if you need to clean something and you don't have time to boil it or soak it in the water, you just add warm water, or even cold water would be fine. And you can see it's already full of foam. So the saponin, or what is it called, that thing which is inside of them, is getting out, and you can already use it for cleaning. So this is a very simple way how to use soap nuts. Some people use it also as a shampoo, or like a soap for your body, for the animals as well, for your pets. I can show you. Yesterday I just soaked some nuts and I added some lemon and orange peels inside to give it a nice smell. I can already smell the citruses inside, and it's already nicely brown. It was only overnight soaked in cold water. That's another way, you just soak it in water. The next thing I wanted to show you is liquid which you make out of vinegar. If you want to do it from the very scratch and you want to make your own apple vinegar, you can also do that, which is not difficult either. You just need apples, which you ground, the whole apple, like with the inside, with everything. You don't need to throw away anything. You just ground everything. You see, the whole apple like that. And you just ground it and put it in a glass jar. I have this one. The jar should be clean, so you may use like hot water to disinfect it. You put all the apples inside. It's better if you allow the apples to stay a little bit outside to get a little bit brown. It will help the fermentation. So you put it inside, everything, and just put water on it. Oh, maybe it's good to boil water and cool it down. So this is clean water, and it's good to make sure that the apples will be really covered with the water. Now you use a paper napkin to make sure nothing would come like inside, but it needs to breathe at the same time. So now you leave it for about a week, like in a place which is light, but at the same time not directly on the sun. And you should use a spoon and stir it, let's say once a day if you manage. Every now and then just stir it with a spoon, and you will see it will start fermenting. And after about a week you take it out, keep just the liquid and put it in another clean jar for another 3 weeks to complete the fermentation, and this water will become vinegar. It's great for cleaning, and at the same time you can even drink it because it's very beneficial for your health. So this is one option, but if you don't want to make your own vinegar, you simply buy any kind of vinegar in a shop, and we can make another cleaning liquid. So what you need is an orange or a lemon, and you just get the skin from that, make it into small pieces, as you can see. I've already done it before for you, and you put it into the jar. Well, now it's everywhere. And then you take a vinegar. Ooh. This one I made from kombucha. So you cover the peels with vinegar. We don't have so much. So it needs to be covered with the liquid, with the vinegar. So it's better when you have more of the vinegar. And then you close it. Doesn't fit. So you close it and put it either in a fridge or somewhere dark for about 3 weeks or 3 months. Sorry, this one depends what kind of vinegar you have. If you have an apple vinegar, it will be faster because the apple vinegar is not so smelly. But if you have a traditional vinegar, then it might take longer, so about 2-3 months. And after that, the smell will disappear, and it will be just smelling after the peels. I used organic oranges and lemons, so it will be very organic, this cleaning liquid. After that, after the 3 months, you just get rid of the peels and get the pure liquid from that, and you can mix it as well again with tea tree oil because this is very antibacterial, so you can make it stronger this way. And you can even put some alcohol inside to make sure that it will stay longer. At the same time, it will add again like the strength of the cleaning product. So now once the products are done, you can use whatever you have at home. Either you keep it in a glass jar, and then when you are, let's say, cleaning the floor, you just add a little bit of the liquid into the water in the bucket. But if you are cleaning some surfaces, it's quite handy if you have something like a spray, so that you can spray it. So this one actually is my old glass, like a face water. It used to be a face water. So now I use this spray for the surfaces, like for the kitchen, for the bathroom, whatever. So these are some of the tips how you can make your own cleaning liquids at home. And the last one, just a very simple one, if you are in a hurry again, you just take a cup of water, you add one spoon. You add 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of baking soda, and some essential oil, tea tree or lavender, whatever you find or you like, and you put it again in a jar. I will have to steal the vinegar because I don't have so much vinegar now. So you put it into the water, then you use the essential oil. I use tea tree and the baking soda, 1 spoon. Well, the water should be more. It was not the whole cup. Just mix it, and that's it. So I hope you can try one of them and see how nice it is to make your own cleaning things and not to have to use chemicals in your home, especially if you have children or pets. I think you can really appreciate that. Thank you for watching it, and see you next time.